At exactly 11.1 billion miles from Earth, space isn't a freezing, empty void. Instead, NASA's Voyager probes just slammed into an invisible, 89,000-degree wall of plasma. This completely breaks known science. For decades, physicists assumed the edge of our solar system would peacefully fade out into the dark, cold vacuum of interstellar space. But they were dead wrong. The temperature doesn't drop, it spikes exponentially. And scientists around the world are now intensely divided on why this barrier is actively shifting, leaking, and breathing. What you're about to see changes everything about how we understand our place in the universe. To grasp how impossible this is, imagine our sun as a giant, magnetic engine. It blasts out a constant hurricane of charged particles, the solar wind, traveling outward at over 1 million miles per hour. This wind inflates a massive protective bubble around our planets called the heliosphere. Logically, as you get further from the sun, that wind should lose power and gracefully dissipate into nothingness. But here's where things get strange. The boundary doesn't just fade. It crashes. Stay with me here, because what I'm about to reveal next, the eerie sound Voyager recorded at this exact boundary, is exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining Deep Space Secrets every single day. If you want to uncover the universe's most classified mysteries with us, hit that follow button now. Let's retrace the steps of this cosmic detective story. August 2012. Voyager 1 approaches a theoretical boundary known as the heliopause. Its ancient instruments detect something alarming. The solar particles that had bathed the spacecraft for 35 years suddenly plummeted to zero. Simultaneously, deadly, high-energy cosmic rays from deep space skyrocketed. Voyager had crossed the threshold. But as it pushed through the dark, something impossible was waiting for it. Voyager had discovered the hydrogen wall. The leading theory is that as our solar wind crashes into the interstellar medium, it creates an extreme compression zone. Think of two massive oceans colliding in a stormy time. The friction is so violent that the gas is compressed into a superheated plasma shield, burning at up to 89,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Because it's so thin, it doesn't melt the spacecraft, but it acts like a force field wrapping our entire solar system. But here's where it gets crazy. Just when scientists thought they understood this barrier, Voyager sent back fresh data that threw astrophysics into chaos. The magnetic fields outside the wall didn't shift direction like they were supposed to. And in 2022, Voyager 1 began transmitting bizarre, impossible gibberish. Furthermore, its plasma wave instruments detected a continuous, eerie hum vibrating through interstellar space. The boundary isn't a solid wall, it's a turbulent, leaking sea of magnetic froth. This has sparked massive debate, and I genuinely want to know what you think. Is this 89,000-degree plasma wall simply the result of colliding space winds? Are we inside a unique, protected magnetic bubble? Or is there something massive lurking just beyond the heliopause generating that interstellar hum? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below, because physicists are actively reading these debates, and your guess is as good as the leading science right now. You might be thinking, why does a plasma wall 11 billion miles away matter to me? Because this affects the very existence of humanity. This turbulent boundary filters out 70% of the deadly, high-energy cosmic radiation shot out by exploding supernovas. If this shield didn't exist, or if it suddenly collapsed, that radiation would bombard Earth, mutating the DNA in your body and slowly stripping away our atmosphere. We owe our lives to this shifting wall of fire in the dark. By the end of this video, you'll understand that our solar system isn't just floating through space, it's an armored ship sailing through a hostile cosmic ocean. But don't lose hope. Science is aggressively catching up to this mystery. NASA is preparing a brand new mission for 2025, the Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe, or IMAP. This satellite will act like a cosmic sonar, mapping the exact shape and behavior of the heliopause from Earth's orbit. We are finally going to see the true face of the bubble that protects us. The boundaries of our knowledge are expanding, and every piece of impossible data just brings us closer to the ultimate truth of our universe. But this plasma wall isn't the only anomaly lurking at the edge of our solar system. In our next videos, we're going to uncover the dark, frozen massive objects hiding in the Oort cloud, and investigate the terrifying mathematical proof that a missing Planet 9 is actively manipulating our outer solar system from the shadows. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for exploring the unknown with us today. Remember, the edge of our home isn't just a door to the stars, it's a shield holding back the dark. The universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I'll see you in the next transmission.